Okay, here's another video. I finally got my spacers from Locked Up RC. They're Vanquish. Part number VPS 01040 SLW 350 wheel hub. So they're 12 millimeter. I put them on the back of my iconic wheels from Locked Up RC. I'm running the Pitbull Rock Beast 2s. As you can see, I got my suspension unloaded, sitting on my airbrush stand, and with unloaded suspension I'm clearing. Got a little rub right there, but when that lift kit comes out, it'd be nothing but a thing. So I'll mount my gearhead wheels up, and I'll do another video. Thank you. So here's my gearhead 2.2 Trail King all aluminum easy lock wheels, mounted with the Pitbull Rock Beast 2s, and I'm running the .185 wheels, 12 millimeter wheel spacers. This catches right there, catches on the front bumper. And then I can do a video with the .375 wheel spacers, 12 millimeter wheel spacers by Gearhead, and I can also reverse the wheels because the offsets are different. These are the Gearhead wheels with the .375 spacer. As you can tell, it sticks out pretty good if you want a wide stance. But yeah, sticking it out. Of course, with that kit, it's not gonna hit, so you can run at this wider stance. Might help from rollovers. Okay, and then I can flip this over and reverse the wheel, and I'll show you that. And this is with the wheel reverse with the .375 12 millimeter wheel spacer. It brings it in, and it, of course, it's hitting the bumper and the running board. But said after you get that kit to raise the lift the suspension, you're not going to have that issue. So a few different ways you can run the Gearhead wheels versus over the Locked Up RC iconic wheels. And I can also put that other spacer in the .180s and reverse the wheel also. And this is the Gearhead wheel reversed with the 1.80 12 millimeter wheel spacer. Of course, the axle sticks out a little farther. I mean, you could trim it down if you wanted to, but if you want to use different wheels, maybe not. It turns there. It clears both ways. I mean, you could probably run these without the lift, but the suspension's on, it's all, there's no weight on it right now, so. Then my tag I just made. But gives you a few options and different looks. Sorry it's not the best video in the world, but I hope you guys have a great day and enjoy. Thank you for watching.